guys, today I'm going to share an amazing recipe with you. It's a winner. It's delicious, fast, easy, healthy, and budget friendly and kid friendly, and it is barbecue chicken bowls. So forget Chipotle, forget takeout. You can make these at home really fast and they're awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and just get us started. I'm going to make fresh salsa to begin with, and I like to use my food processor, but you don't have to. You can do it by hand, but I just like to really finely mince the fresh cilantro and the jalapeno. So I have a bunch that's been cleaned of fresh cilantro going in. Okay, and I like jalapeno in my fresh salsa. If you don't like spice, leave it out or use less. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to put half, which is like 4 slices of that. Okay, and we're going to give that a nice good mince. Beautiful. Okay, I did as much prep as possible ahead of time. So I've got 3 chopped tomatoes that are ready, and oh, that smell. The fresh herbs get me every time. So go ahead and add that to your tomatoes. And next I have about a half a cup of finely chopped white onion. You could use any color onions. Okay, and then I have a lime that's cut in half, and I'm going to put the juice of 1 lime. This is the best salsa ever, and it's so simple and basic. And if you don't use it all for the bowls, then just dip chips in there. Real treat. Okay, and then some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and that's it. And then you have, in just minutes, a beautiful, healthy, fresh salsa. Perfect for tacos, burritos, fajitas, quesadillas, you name it. And obviously burrito bowls. Okay, so there we have that. Okay, so I've already cooked the chicken. I put a little video. I used 6 chicken cutlets. I just think that those stay really tender. You could use breasts. This is probably the equivalent of about 3 chicken breasts. And then, put it in olive oil with some salt and pepper. And then after you flip it, after a few minutes, then I poured about half a cup of barbecue sauce. And then you could just use 2 forks, or you could use a fork and a knife and just pull it apart to go in the burrito bowls, which are going to be so delicious. Okay, so once it's all in smaller pieces, just mix it around so it's all nice and evenly coated with barbecue sauce. Yum. And now we're going to assemble the bowls. Okay, so for the bowls, you need some cooked rice. I cooked some jasmine rice. I cooked about a cup worth. The chicken, of course, the fresh salsa, and then I have 1 can of black beans, drained and rinsed, and 1 can of corn, drained, and avocado. Okay, so let's get this baby cut open. Hope it's nice, and it is. Looks like a good one. So you'll just do, once it's in half, you can just do your slits and then cut it in cubes. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and start assembling here. So scoop some rice first. If you want it a little healthier, you could use brown rice. Okay, and then go ahead and pile on some chicken. All right, and then some black beans. As much or as little as you like. And then the corn. then the salsa. And then go ahead and put your avocado. Look at that. My goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, looks good, right? How simple was that? So fast, less than 30 minutes, and you've got dinner or lunch, you name it, money saved, tastes better. So I encourage you guys to make it. Remember that my recipes are down below. Share with your friends and have a super day. Take care.